Toby! Toby! Toby!
Dear Mr. Brown, for years I have seen you neglect and abuse your dog. That time has come to an end. Meet me at the Junker car lot with $5,000 and a promise to love your dog as your brother. Sincerely yours.
Gus, I need your help.
Oh, what's going on with you?
Can I come in?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so I walked up to the factory. Everything felt like it was going in slow motion. I dropped everything and ran back home, and then it was terrible. I walked in and Toby was just gone. And look, I found this on my table.
Wow, dude. I'm really sorry. Okay, I know what we need to do. You don't have $5,000, right?
Hell no, I don't.
Okay, so we need to make him think like you gave him $5,000.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay, now what we need is something to put the money in, preferably a briefcase.
Oh, yeah, well, you have one? I don't have one.
Actually, I don't. I actually pawned it for that.
Ah, that's definitely a conversation starter.
Isn't it? I got it on a discount because of the,
We can't do that right now. We don't even have a briefcase. Or even the money. What are we going to put the bait in?
I've got it. I've done it.
What? Not on the seat, man.
No. The perfect idea. I've got the plan.
Well, out with it.
Alright. Socks. Yes, we take socks and put the money we do have and a layer on top of it.
Sounds pretty flawless to me, actually.
And while he's counting the money, you nab Toby and just bucktail it out of there.
Are you sure you got this? I mean, this man steals dogs. There's no telling what he's capable of.
I've stood my ground against far worse than him. You worry about Toby. I'll take care of the rest. Alright. Dude, I don't think we can do this.
But earlier today, you sounded pretty confident.
I mean, earlier today I was fired up about it. I was fired up, but now I'm not so sure we can do this.
You know, I actually know someone who might be able to help. This girl I work with, she seems pretty legit about this kind of stuff. She knows what's going on.
Is she clean though? Can she be on the level?
She's level.
All right.
She's clean.
All right, good.
Yes.
All right, cool. Let's
She's
just see
good.
her.
All right. Here we go. She lives just around here, so.
Oh, okay.
Should be good.
That's pretty.
That's
That's wicked. All right, bitchin'.
She said she'd be here. Everything should be cool.
All right.
I had no idea she was a terrorist.
You gotta watch out for that stuff, dude.
How was I supposed to prepare for this? She looked clean to me.
Wait, that window has something written on it.
Well, this must be the place. You didn't tell us where to go, so. Sorry. Doggone. Damn it! We're too late. You know what? That wasn't even my dog.
What?
Yeah, I was watching it for a friend.
You blew up our money for not even your dog? You made it seem like it was your dog.
No, I just didn't want to be blamed for this shit.
That's low, man. That's bullcrap.
I did work overtime for that money.
Ah, fuck.